Peace, 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 love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys, peace to the earth. Shalom, shalom, mishpachah. Hey, we day 2 at Dr. Yahki's Health and Wellness Detoxification Facility. Today they learned to do CPR. Today they learned how to keep your children from choking. Today they learned how to make so many herbal compounds. It is packed, it is ready. They are right now eating some good food. I'm very elated, I'm very excited, and I welcome y'all to my next one. So look, make sure y'all grab these tickets. This event sold out in 2 days, y'all. So as soon as y'all see it go up, I see a lot of people in the comments saying they didn't know nothing about the event. I see a lot of people in the comments saying, why wasn't it promoted? The reason why it wasn't promoted like it needed to be, because as soon as we posted the flyers, everybody booked the tickets. So we're gonna do another one in February. Make sure y'all come out and check it. This is a winter wellness. I'm super excited about it. They getting their certificates and they taking their test tomorrow. Now we finna learn about the medicinal uses of cayenne pepper. We're finna talk about lemon, ginger. We're gonna get into the chemical mechanisms, the healing molecules, and break down these properties. So I'm excited, y'all. Shalom, shalom. Peace. Bon appetit. In Hebrew, we say l'chaim.
Oh, Lord. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, there go that cough. There it go. There it go. We got a question, y'all. What is the main healing property ingredient in coconut oil? Yes, which is a medium chain fatty acid. It's a lipid. What do sodium monolauric acid do? It activates T cells and B cells. Remember, B cells come from bone marrow cells. T cells come from thymus gland cells. And the thymus gland is the educational school or the military base for the immune system. Any immune cells that need to learn what to do, they learn it in the thymus gland. So we know turmeric is fat soluble. You know, if you drink turmeric in the tea and the water, you just drinking tea. You're not getting nothing from it because it needs the fats to be transferred to the liver to go into the bloodstream correctly. So tell me why, if you look up the chemical compounds of actual turmeric or turmeric, it have the same sodium monolauric acid that's in coconut oil. It's like God literally created them to go together. We're talking about turmeric. How many of y'all got turmeric in your house again? Did y'all know all of this? If you take turmeric without a lipid, it will not work.